Welcome to Microsoft Technical Tutorials. Today we are going to see how we can identify the presence of duplicate records in a table. Earlier we have a video that will show the different ways of identifying the duplicate records in the table. So that is by using select, by using group by, and the other way by using distinct. So I will provide you those URLs at the end of the video, so you can go through that video once, and after that this video will show you another way of identifying the duplicate records by using the ranking functions. So there are different ranking functions: row number, rank, dense rank, and entail are there. So for this purpose we are using row number function, because we will not be able to use rank and dense rank, because they will give the same rank to duplicate records, but row number will give you the different rank whenever it is finding the duplicate records. So regarding different information about the ranking functions, you can go through this particular URL. So there we have explained clearly about different ranking functions and how they will work. So here if you see, I have created the table duplicate data and I inserted the data. So you can see the data over here. So if you see here, Anil is repeated twice, Kumar is once, and Ajay is repeated thrice. How we will identify this? By using a row number function, we are mentioning partition by. In partition by, you have to mention all the columns available in your table to identify the duplicate record. So I mentioned all these columns, and then I am ordering it by ID. And order by function is mandatory one in any ranking functions. If you execute this, I'm executing this, so you can see Anil is repeated twice, so it gave rank 1 and 2 to it. 2 is only 1, so it gave 1. 3, it is for Ajay, it gave 1 to 3 because it is repeated 3 times. By using this, we are able to identify we are differentiating between two different records which are duplicated. After this, what we need to do is, now we have identified that it's simple data, so by seeing it we can see if 2 is there, then it is repeating, and here second record is not repeated. So if you want to get only duplicated data, you can write where you can write condition on row number. Row number is greater than 1. That means that row is repeated 2 times, because if it is only once, then it will give rank row number 1 only. It won't give you other than that. So I am selecting all the values from here where row number is greater than 1. So that means it will give you only the records which are repeated. So if you see over here is Anil is repeated once, it is giving that, and Ajay is repeated 2 times. So it is giving only those records which are repeated. In this way we can identify the presence of duplicate records by using the row number. And I will mention these URLs in the comments or in the description of the video, so you can go through ranking functions and the part 1 video of identifying the presence of duplicate rows in a table. Happy learning.